Discover this amazing cough remedy. But wait, there's more. In a serene wellness retreat, experience the soothing magic of lemon balm syrup. Known for its calming aroma, this natural elixir combines gentle sweetness with soothing mucilaginous properties, offering relief like no other. Imagine a tranquil moment where each sip brings you peace and comfort, a gentle hug for your throat. Yet, are the whispers of nature's cure enough? This is a revelation in wellness. Relish this serene escape. For more healing secrets, smash that like button, share your thoughts, and subscribe for blissful remedies.